Hi everyone, welcome to Biogea Alveo with Teacher Ling. Chapter 7, Cellular Respiration. 7.1, Production of Energy through Cellular Respiration. And 7.2, Aerobic Respiration. What is respiration and what is cellular respiration? Respiration is a process of obtaining oxygen and delivering it to the cell for cellular respiration to gain energy and removing carbon dioxide produced by the cell. Whereas cellular respiration is a set of metabolic reactions and processes that take place in the cell of organism to convert chemical energy from oxygen molecule or nutrient into adenosine triphosphate ATP and then release waste product. Respiration can be external respiration. Breathing means a mechanical process that maintains a continuous exchange of gases between the respiratory surface and an organism and its environment. Next one, internal respiration means cellular respiration, a biochemical process in which energy is made available to all living cells. Energy is required for cell contraction, excretion, cell division, transmission of nerve impulses, absorption of digested food, maintenance of body temperature, active transport of biochemical substances, synthesis of lipid, hormones, proteins, and enzymes. 7.1 Productions of energy through cellular respiration. Two types of metabolic reaction. Anabolism means process use energy. Catabolism means process releases energy. Main substrate for cellular energy in human and animal is glucose from digestion of carbohydrate. In plant, glucose from photosynthesis. Sunlight absorbed by chloroplasts undergo photosynthesis, release oxygen and glucose as the product, go to mitochondria, release adenosine triphosphate ATP, release in cellular respiration carbon dioxide and water vapor, and the process is continuous. Okay, so energy that we get cellular respiration take place in the cells, which is food or glucose intake, oxygen intake, release carbon dioxide, release water vapor, and release energy. Type of cellular respiration: aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, fermentation. Type of cellular respiration. First one, we look at aerobic respiration, means oxidation of glucose in the presence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And the product, 38 ATP, equivalent to 2,898 kilojoule in mitochondria. Anaerobic respiration is the breakdown glucose when there is very little or no more energy, produce 2 ATP equivalent to 150 kilojoule in cytoplasm. Fermentation, break down glucose incompletely in conditions of limited oxygen or without oxygen produce 210 kJ in cytoplasm. 7.2 Aerobic respiration requires a continuous supply of oxygen from the air or water surrounding to organism. Oxygen that is intake is delivered by the blood circulatory system to the body cell. In the cells, glucose molecules are oxidized by oxygen to release energy. Organism respire aerobically means aerobic organism. Occurs in mitochondria. Glucose plus oxygen release carbon dioxide, water, and energy. The reaction is catalyzed by respiratory enzymes. The energy stored within the glucose molecule is released gradually. Most of energy released is used to synthesize adenosine triphosphate, ATP, from adenosine diphosphate, ADP, and inorganic phosphate. ATP acts as an instant source of energy. ADP plus phosphate plus energy become ATP. ATP consists of phosphate bonds which can be easily broken down to release energy. When energy is required by the body, ATP is broken down. ATP broken down to ADP, energy release. Okay, we look at the activity 7.1 to study aerobic respiration. Problem statement. Do living organisms carry out aerobic respiration? Hypothesis. Living organisms use oxygen and release carbon dioxide during aerobic respiration. Variable. Manipulated. Presence of living organism. Responding. Increase in the level of colored liquid. Fixed. Inertial level of colored liquid. Material. Water, colored liquid, soda lime, living organism, cockroach, and petroleum jelly. Apparatus. Boiling tube, screw clip, wire gauze, 250 ml beaker, capillary tube, ruler, rubber tube, and water bath. Procedure. Prepare the apparatus as shown in the figure above. Prepare two boiling tubes labeled A and B. Fill both boiling tubes with 10 grams soda lime. Put the wire gauze in the middle of boiling tube A. Put a cockroach in the wire gauze in boiling tube A while boiling tube B left empty. Wipe all connections of the apparatus with petroleum jelly. Close the screw clip and mark the height of the inertial level of colored liquid in the capillary tube for both boiling tubes. Leave the apparatus for an hour. Measure and record your observation in the following table. Technique used. Measure and record the heights of the colored liquid in the capillary tube with a ruler. Result. Boiling tube A, inertial level 0 cm, final level 2 cm, difference in level 2 cm. Boiling tube B, inertial level 0 cm, final level 0 cm, difference in level 0 cm. Discussion. The boiling tube B is controlled experiment. The water bath is maintained at room temperature to ensure uniform temperature in tube A and B. The living cockroach uses oxygen in the boiling tube A to carry out aerobic respiration and release equal volume of carbon dioxide. The volume of carbon dioxide which is released is absorbed by soda lime. The absorption of carbon dioxide lowered the pressure of air in boiling tube A, and the higher atmospheric pressure raised the level of colored liquid in the capillary tube. So conclusion, living organism uses oxygen and release carbon dioxide during aerobic respiration. Hypothesis is accepted. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video of Biogia Alveo with Teacher Lane. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you.